Happy Friday, everybody. I'm going to drop a beat one time for my fourth graders. Shout out to all the fourth graders in the building. This video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to do a review of the partial product method of multiplication. Now, there's a few different ways to set it up. But basically, this number right here, I got to put that in expanded form. 5,741 times 3. So the partial product method involves putting the multi-digit number, the 3 or 4-digit number, in expanded form. So in 5,741, I have 5,000. Ooh, let me fit it a little. I want me to fit it so y'all can see it. All right. 3 times 5,000. So there's 700s, and that's a value of 700. 3 times 700. 4 tens, that's a value of 40. 3 times 40. And there's 1, so 3 times 1. So to find 5,741 times 3, you're going to add 3 times 5,000 plus 3 times 700 plus 3 times 40 plus 3 times 1. So step 1, we put the numbers in expanded form. Step 2, we got to break each answer down. So 3 times 5,000. So what we do, we pretend the zeros aren't there, and we just multiply 3 times 5. 3 times 5 equals 15. Then, since there were 3 zeros in the number sentence, within the parentheses, we're going to add 3 zeros to our answer. To find 3 times 5,000, all you got to do is multiply 3 times 5 and add 3 zeros to your answer. All right, so we have 15,000. 3 times 700. So now, cross out the 2 zeros. I'm just going to multiply 3 times 7. 3 times 7 equals 21. Since there were 2 zeros in the parentheses, I'm just going to add 2 zeros now to my answer. 2,100. Three times 40. All right. Three times 4 equals 12. I just multiplied 3 times 4. Now I'm going to add that 0 to my answer. 3 times 40 equals 120. 3 times 1 equals 3. Now notice there's no zeros in the parentheses, so I don't need to add any zeros to my answer. So the answer is 15,000 plus 2,100 plus 120 plus 3. Now there's a couple different ways to line it up. What I always suggest is you want to line up the numbers before you add. I like to line up all 4 numbers at once, but for some students, it's better to add 2 numbers at a time. So I'm going to show you the method where I add 2 numbers at a time. All right, 15,000 plus 2,100. So I'm going to add those 2 numbers. Then I'm going to add 120 plus 3. Let me make my 120 a little more legible here. Sometimes slow and steady wins the race. You don't always have to go fast. All right. So when we add, we always start with the digit all the way to the right, the digit in the ones place. And then we move down. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0, again, 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 5 plus 2 equals 7. And 1 plus 0 equals 1. So 17,100. Now 120 plus 3. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 1 plus 0 equals 1. And our answer is 123. So now I got to add up my two answers, 17,100 plus 123. All right, 0 plus 3 equals 3. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 7 plus 0 equals 7. And 1 plus 0 equals 1. And we have our answer right here, 17,123. I'm actually going to make a box around that because that's what the answer is. All right. It is Friday, and I do need to ship out of here. So I'm going to end the video with some basketball, and we're going to call it a day. Start out with some jump shots today. All right, here we go. Catch and shoot. I'm going to catch and shoot to start off, and then I'm going to end it with some turnarounds. All right, ready? And here we go. 0 for 1. Done for 2. I need to get me a rebounder. Two for 3. 3 for 4. 4 for 5. 4 for 6. Jumper. Gotta get that jumper. 5 for 7. 6 for 8. 6 for 9. 7%. I'm about to move the camera. I'm about to do some turnaround jumpers now. Turnaround jumpers. And then maybe 2 turnaround jumpers on each side. And then, gotta change the angle because I don't like how they're not really showing the hoop here. So let me that better. That's not even that much better, you know? My camera crew is working very, very hard right now. So bear with me. Here we go. All right. That's more like it. All right, break left, move right, and don't be afraid to shoot the outside J. Gotta get your head in the game. I gotta get my head in the game. Gotta get your head in the game. I gotta get my head in the game. Gotta get your head in the game. Shout out to High School Musical. All right, I'm going to end it with a dunk, and we are going to call it a video. And that is my video for today. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if this video was helpful. If there's an area of math that you're struggling with, feel free to post a comment with an example of a problem that you're struggling with, and I will do a future video on it. If there's a comprehension skill that you're having a difficult time with, you can post a video, and I can do a future video on that. All right, have a great weekend, everybody.